The Sun's lawyer alleged that during a fight at the LA penthouse in December of 2015, Depp, in an uncontrollable rage, trashed Heard's wardrobe, threw a decanter at her, slapped her, pulled her by the hair, and headbutted her, causing 2 black eyes. Depp claimed Heard was the aggressor, and he had only tried to restrain her to stop her flailing and punching me. He conceded he might have headbutted her, but only by accident, and denied causing her injuries. Depp also rejected Heard's claim that he subjected her to a 3-day ordeal of assaults. In March of 2015 in Australia, where Depp was appearing as Captain Jack Sparrow in the 5th Pirates of the Caribbean movie. Heard attacks the LAPD despite the judge saying no. Heard, 35, declared that she didn't want Depp's money after their explosive 2016 breakup and vowed instead to split the mammoth payment between 2 good causes. But the actor's lawyers believe the altruistic gesture was a sham and have spent more than a year chasing the Children's Hospital Los Angeles and the American Civil Liberties Union to find out how much they actually received from the actress. Back in January, DailyMail.com revealed a series of documents turned over by hospital bosses which suggested they received only $100,000, way short of the promised $3.5 million gift. The Pirates of the Caribbean star lost a bruising defamation case last year against the UK Sun newspaper when a British High Court judge agreed the publication's depiction of him as a wife-beater was substantially true, based on blood-curdling accounts of their numerous bust-ups. The court heard from a text message Depp sent Heard after their separation in which he sent, "All my love and regrets. I wish you nothing but good. This is what I felt," he said. "I didn't think there needed to be any poison at that time because the bad part was over, which was the relationship, and now we just had to finish it." By June 2016, however, Depp said he had become quite bitter because he felt he was being publicly depicted as a wife-beater. Heard obtained a restraining order against Depp in May of 2016, claiming he'd hit her and thrown a cell phone at her during an argument, bruising her cheek. Depp denies the allegation. Johnny Depp is suing the American Civil Liberties Union to see whether ex-wife Amber Heard ever fulfilled her promise to donate her $7 million divorce settlement to charity. "The judge exposed me. Amber Heard has officially apologized for everything because what I'm about to show you is going to blow you away. The judge seemed to be absolutely done with Amber Heard and her lawyer, and we got the whole transcript over here. I'm going to read through the most relevant and important parts and you'll see within a minute how Amber Heard literally lost that one. I don't think anything else could have happened that would show more clearly than this that Amber Heard is lying, at least. I'm not just saying that. Once you hear what the judge had to say to Amber Heard, you'll actually be surprised." He agreed that the couple had an altercation which ended up with their house being trashed and Depp's fingertip being severed to the bone. Depp accuses Heard of cutting off his fingertip by throwing a vodka bottle at him. She denies being in the room when the digit was severed. A short section of Friday's hearing, which related to allegations of sexual violence, was heard in private after the judge agreed to a request by the Sun's lawyers. Near the end of his testimony, Depp was asked by his lawyer, David Sherborne, about medical notes from August 2014 that referred to Heard's history of substance abuse, including an addiction to cocaine. The notes said Heard experienced anxiety, insecurity, and jealous and had severe outbursts of anger and rage. In the High Court witness box, Depp has described a volatile relationship with Heard that descended into screaming matches which sometimes turned physical, but he has strongly denied hitting Heard and accused her of compiling a dossier of fake claims against him as an insurance policy. Depp, 57, and Heard, 34, met on the set of the 2011 comedy The Rum Diary and married in Los Angeles in February of 2015. Heard, a model and actress, filed for divorce the following year and obtained a restraining order against Depp on the grounds of domestic abuse. The divorce was finalized in 2017. Depp said one of the triggering incidents for the couple's separation came when a cleaner found feces in a bed at their Los Angeles penthouse the morning after Heard's 30th birthday party in April of 2016. Heard claims the couple fought after the party and Depp threw a Magnum wine bottle at her. He denies it. Heard blamed one of the couple's Yorkshire Terriers, Pistol and Boo, for the defecation incident, but Depp was convinced a person had done it. It was not left by a 3 or 4 pound dog. I was convinced that it was either Miss Heard herself or one of her cohorts involved in leaving human feces on the bed, he said. He said that after this he realized that the marriage could not be saved. I wanted nothing to do with her, Depp said. Giving evidence in a witness statement dated February 26, 2020, Heard stated, "I remained financially independent from him the whole time we were together, and the entire amount of my divorce settlement was donated to charity." Miss Heard made multiple attempts to thwart Mr. Depp's discovery into a purported donation of her entire divorce settlement, the filing states, describing how she tried and failed to have their subpoenas quashed in the Californian courts. Heard eventually complied, as did the Children's Hospital Los Angeles, but the ACLU has so far only handed over a limited number of documents and emails. These include a September 9, 2016 letter from Romero to Heard on ACLU Foundation letterhead thanking Miss Heard for her donation of $350,000 as the first installment of your very generous pledge of $3.5 million, the motion reveals. Also included is email correspondence between Miss Heard and Mr. Romero from June 2017, reflecting that the ACLU had received a $350,000 donation from Miss Heard, a $100,000 donation from Mr. Depp towards Miss Heard's pledge, and an anonymous $500,000 which appears from the correspondence to be from Elon. I went, if you'll forgive the analogy, from Cinderella to Quasimodo in 0.6 seconds and I was without a voice, he said. That August, Depp wrote in a text to an associate that Heard was begging for total global humiliation. She's gonna get it. The Sun's defense relies on a total of 14 allegations by Heard of Depp's violence between 2013 and 2016, in settings including his private island in the Bahamas, a rented house in Australia, and a private jet. He strongly denies all of them. Under cross-examination by the Sun's lawyer, Sasha Wass, Depp depicted a tumultuous relationship with Heard during a period when he was trying to kick drugs and alcohol and sometimes lapsing. He recalled telling Heard several times, "Listen, we are a crime scene waiting to happen," but he denied being violent.